Welcome to our comparison of two powerful graphics cards, the XFX Speedster QICK 319 Radeon RX 6750 XT and the GIGABYTE Radeon RX 7800 XT. In this video, we will dive into their specifications, performance, and features to see which card stands out for gamers and content creators alike. Let's get started. When it comes to gaming performance, the XFX Speedster QICK 319 Radeon RX 6750 XT offers solid performance for 1440p gaming, making it a great choice for budget-conscious gamers. However, the GIGABYTE Radeon RX 7800 XT takes it a step further with its superior performance, handling not only 1440p gaming with ease, but also providing entry-level 4K gaming capabilities. This makes the RX 7800 XTs a more future-proof option for gamers looking to push their settings to the max. Both graphics cards feature advanced cooling solutions. The XFX Speedster QICK 319 utilizes a triple-fan cooling system that effectively keeps the card cool during intense gaming sessions. On the other hand, the GIGABYTE Radeon RX 7800 XT is equipped with the Wind Force cooling system, which not only enhances cooling efficiency, but also operates quietly, making it an excellent choice for gamers who prefer a quieter setup. Both solutions are designed to ensure optimal performance without overheating. Price is always a crucial factor when choosing a graphics card. The XFX Speedster QICK 319 Radeon RX 6750 XT comes in at a competitive price of $399, making it an attractive option for gamers on a budget. In contrast, the GIGABYTE Radeon RX 7800 XT is priced at $499, reflecting its higher-end performance and features. While the RX 7800 XT offers superior capabilities, the price difference may be a deciding factor for many consumers. In conclusion, both the XFX Speedster QICK 319 Radeon RX 6750 XT and the GIGABYTE Radeon RX 7800 XT have their strengths and weaknesses. The RX 6750 XT is a great value for 1440p gaming, while the RX 7800 XT offers superior performance and future-proofing for higher resolutions. Depending on your gaming needs and budget, either card could be a great choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.